Sa Facebook page ni Chito Miranda, ibinahagi niya kung gaano kadedicated ang kanyang asawa, hindi lamang bilang asawa, bilang magulang, kundi si Neri Miranda din ay tumutulong sa mga kabataan. Sa kanyang post, ibinahagi nga nitong si Chito Miranda ang ilan sa mga activities na ginagawa ni Neri Miranda. Ang pagbibigay ng school supplies, pagkain sa mga schools, sa ibang mga katutubo nating mga kababayan. Ayan nga yung ibinahagi ni Chito bago nito ihayag kung ano nga ba ang tunay na nangyari sa pagkakaaresto ng kanyang asawa. Pero ang mga post na ito ay kinundina ng mga netizen. Well, bago yan, inihayag nga ni Chito ang kanyang pagkadismaya. Aniya, praying na masort out na ang lahat ng ito, kawawa naman yung asawa ko. Never nanloko si Neri at never siyang nanlamang sa kapwa. Never siyang kumuha o nanghingi ng pera kahit kanino man. Alam ng lahat yan. Tulong lang siya ng tulong hanggat kaya niya. Minsan kahit di na nakabubuti sa kanya, kadalasan nga naaabuso na siya, pero hinahayaan niya lang basta wala siyang ginagawang masama. Pinapasa Diyos niya na lang. Tulad ngayong endorser lang siya, tapos ginamit yung face niya to get investors, kinasuhan siya ng mga biktima. Last week, bigla na lang siyang inaresto for the same case kahit hindi pa siya binigyan ng notice na may bagong criminal complaint pala laban sa kanya. Hindi niya na-defend yung sarili niya. Wala siyang nare-receive na letter from the prosecutor. Walang subpina, walang kahit anong notice. Yung mga dati na-receive namin yan at na nag-comply siya. Alam naman ng lahat na madali kaming mahanap sa Alfonso. Anyway, dinampot na lang siya bigla. Na-dismiss na yung mga similar na kaso sa ibang lugar and we're praying na sana ma-dismiss na din ito. Wala siyang kinuhang pera sa ibang tao. Lahat ng pera nila na kay Chanda ang may-ari ng Dermacare. Sobrang bait po ni Neri, as in sobra. Ito yung babaeng kinulong nyo without bail habang nakalaya pa yung mga tunay na may kasalanan. Ibinahagi din ni Chito Miranda ang mensahe o mail ng Dermacare CEO or owner at narito po ang nilalaman. I want to begin by expressing my sincere apology on the current issues that Dermacare is going through right now, to which you are not supposedly to be part of. And it is with this in mind that I address the ongoing issues that has arisen regarding our partners. As you are likely aware, there is a current issue surrounding our inability to distribute shares to some of our investors. We understand and share your concerns for fairness and transparency in this matter. However, it is essential to recognize that this situation is complex and we are actively working towards resolving it in the best interest of all parties involved, most particularly our valued investors. While we respect your desire to support the investor in question, we kindly request that you consider your involvement in this matter. Taking sides in a complex financial dispute can escalate the situation and hinder our ability to reach an equitable resolution. It is crucial that we allow the proper channels and legal processes to unfold, enabling us to find a fair solution that respects the rights and interests of all parties. We believe in fairness and transparency, and we are committed to resolving this issue as swiftly as possible. There were already some group of investors who have shown support on resolving this problem internally, thus allowing us to continue the business and deliver what is due to the investors. We value your dedication to your name and the positive influence you have on your audience. Thus, by remaining neutral and allowing the appropriate procedures to take place, you can help us maintain our commitment to our partners. We would appreciate your kind understanding and cooperation in this matter. If you have any concerns or questions, please feel free to reach out to us and we will be more happy to provide further information and updates on the situation. We are confident that by working together and allowing the process to unfold, we can find a solution that serves the best interests of all, particular our partners, and upholds the values that our brand represents. We look forward to resolving this issue in a manner that reflects the principles of fairness and commitment that we hold. Sincerely yours, Chanda Atienza. Anyway, mula nga sa mga netizen, narito ang kanilang naging reaksyon. Anila, sa case ni Neri, she was let in as a partner or a corporator with management or industrial responsibilities. Kaya yan, kasama talaga siya. She was not merely an endorser as Chito claims. Just read the letter then. And she was actively seeking investors, personally talked to potential financiers, investors. She is not looking innocent at all. Tapos sa last 3 years, bigla silang ang daming real estate properties ni Chito, kaya syempre hahabulin siya ng investors na inanyaya niya dati. Though she can show her filed AITR and SALN for the past years kung saan galing at paano nabili ang recent properties nila. Ganun talaga kapag under audit ka na, lahat makakalkal. We have lost regulatory boards, also ignorance of the law, excuses no one, especially so na ang self-styled title mo is wise. Wise, being wise, means not being caught stupid. Ito pa ang naging say ng ilang netizen. To the rightful owners, please like, share, and subscribe.